Hi gang, long time no see, Sky Pilot here. Yes, things have slowed down a bit, as we all know. However, something's arrived and I'm going to see what's inside. Just what I was hoping for. The RunCam orange. It looks like someone's opened it. Probably customs to make sure there's no bugs inside. Link down below gang as usual as to where you can get this gear from. This mount comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little hex screws. I'm going to be mounting this on the rooftop of my HGLRC. Hopefully it's got quite a pleasant angle, which it looks like it has. Get some decent footage. So, ripping into the box gang, you've got, yeah, it's nicely packaged. There's some nice soft foam at the top here, so that, yeah, your unit's going to be very well protected. So, the RunCam itself, sitting on scales, weighing at 55.47 grams. And that's with the SD card. Finishing off the box, some nice foam there. Got a little RunCam 5 business card for their website, should you need any assistance. And completing the packaging, a nice box with your micro USB cable, and also comes with, will come out, a couple of RunCam 5 Velcro straps, which I think will come in handy. You can never have enough of these, so it's really good. So let's rip into the unit, guys. You have the RunCam here, the micro USB slot here. On the side, you've got the RunCam 5 slide window where you insert your micro SD, or there's a hard reset button there too, should you need it. Nothing on the back, a few vents, a few screws, lens on the front. And up top here you have your power button and your mode button all in one. So simple as long press to turn the unit on. Really cool. So it's now on green light and you're ready to record, which you simply do by pressing the button once and it will start to flash green and you're now recording at whatever preset you have made. Press the button again to stop. You can change settings on it via your mobile device. Download the RunCam 5 Orange app. Simple as that. Click on the QR configuration and you're presented with a whole load of video and general settings here, which is cool. To put these settings onto your RunCam, pretty easy. Double press the on off button there and you'll see little blue light. You hit the apply and you're presented with a QR code. You simply point it at it, it beeps and then goes back to green. All these settings have now been transferred to the RunCam 5, which is awesome. So I've got a TPU mount, as I mentioned at the start of the video, so I'm going to stick my RunCam 5 on top of my HGLRC Sector 5 and have a pair of 5s. I'm going to go for a fly with my Sky Zones. You might see I have a new addition to the family up the top there. Pair of Sky Zone O2Xs. Awesome stuff. And I'm going to see how these things all perform and hopefully I'll get back home again in one piece. I'll see you hopefully in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later, guys.